On today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Pears baby oil. Now, this is an oil I've been using for a year now. Yes, and I feel like so many persons underestimate baby oils. When you talk about baby oil, it's always like, no, I need to get a more expensive oil, as though baby oils do not work. Baby oils work. Okay, it just depends on how you use them, or let me say how you use them generally. Okay, baby oils work. Now, if you do not know, baby oils are infused with ingredients that are safe, mild, and gentle for the skin. Of course, you know that a baby's skin is always very soft, right? So any ingredients in baby skincare products should always be gentle, hydrating, mild, right? So if they are safe for babies, what makes you think they won't be safe for you as an adult? Although, if you are up to 25 years old, I'm not going to advise you to use baby things. Like you are using a baby soap, you are using a baby body lotion, you are using a baby oil. No, no. Now, it's not as if they are going to harm your skin. They will not. But that's anti-aging benefits that you need at that point. Baby skincare products will not give them to you. Now, you don't expect someone in her 30s, in her 40s, in her 50s, or even in her late 20s to just be using baby skincare products. Now, there is something called collagen. Collagen is that protein that is naturally produced by your skin, all right, that tends to deplete as you age. As you get advanced in age, the rate at which your skin produces collagen depletes or reduces. Now, you are meant to have started off your anti-aging skincare routine if you're up to 25 years, because products in that routine are going to help produce collagen. Now, lack of collagen is what makes the skin look saggy. If you get the skin of someone in her early 20s and the skin of someone in her 30s, 40s, 50s, there is definitely going to be a difference. Now, what is the difference? The skin of someone in her 20s is still looking all youthful, or bouncy, or glowy, or supple, right? But the skin of someone in her, let's say, late 30s, 40s, 50s is already looking saggy. Now, what is the difference? The difference is in the rate at which the skin produces collagen. Collagen is just the difference. But now, with the help of products that boosts collagen, your skin would not look as saggy as it would. You're still going to find that use that youthful look, that bouncy look, that supple look in your skin. It might not be as bouncy as someone in her 20s, but it won't be as bad as when you are not even putting in any effort to boost your level of collagen production. All right. So that is the whole essence of this anti-aging skincare product. That is the whole essence of you not using just baby items when you're already in your 30s, 40s, 50s. You can use baby oils, because baby oils is just, it is versatile. Baby oil can be used as a massage oil. Baby oil can be used for double cleansing. Yes, baby oils can be used to fade off your stretch marks depending on the ingredients in that oil. Baby oils can also be used for shaving. I've seen persons who apply baby oils maybe on their armpits before they shave. If it works for you, good and fine. Baby oils can also be used to repair a damaged skin when you must have bleached and you need mild and gentle skincare products just to help repair your skin. All right, baby oils can come in, but because I said baby oils does not mean that you should not have a body lotion, your hydrating body lotions formulated for your age, and then just use a body oil as a plus. Okay, that is how it works. So now this Pears baby oil, I have been using this for a year now, and this is still my first bottle. Now you might want to ask, a year and you still have this much left? Yes, reasons being that I use this just during the harmattan, and sometimes during summer or during the rainy season I use it, but on rare occasions, maybe just when I want to get that extra glowy skin, that shiny look that comes with oils, then I'll just use it. But it is strictly just for the harmattan for me. Reasons being that this is a thick oil, okay? It is thick in consistency and heavy on the skin. It is thick in consistency and very much, it is not this kind of oil that easily absorbs into the skin. It is not. I'm going to be sincere with you right now, okay? It is not. That's why persons who use these oils for removing their makeups, for double cleansing, I don't know how you guys do it, but I've seen so many persons on YouTube use this oil for double cleansing. I don't know how you guys do this because this is actually quite hidden. So if you have an oily skin and you are using Pears baby, maybe you can use Cosons or Johnsons if they are lightweight. But for Pears, I don't understand how you guys do this. But if you are doing it and it's been working for you, kudos, continue, okay? Now, this is a thick oil. As I said earlier, it does not easily absorb into the skin. One of the reasons it is even safe for the harmattan, because right now everybody's skin is dry, like extremely dry at the moment, right? So you need things that are thick in consistency. If your body lotion is super lightweight, maybe you are using the Nivea Radiant and Beauty even care body lotion that has vitamin C, right? You can get the Pears baby oil if you are really on a budget. You can't get these expensive body oils. You can get the Pears baby oil. It is a thick oil that is still hydrating, glowy, nourishing, and all that. Okay. Now let's talk about the ingredients in this oil. Now, one of the ingredients in this oil is paraffinium liquidum. Now, this paraffinium liquidum is actually, it's a mineral oil, okay, that serves as an emollient. Now, if you have been a frequent viewer on this channel, you know that I talk about emollients in some of my videos. Now, emollients help to prevent dehydration from the skin. They serve as sealants. All right, they serve almost the same purpose as your occlusives. Okay, now they help to prevent dehydration. So this body oil is going to be very, very perfect for the winter, for the harmattan. Another ingredient here is olive oil. Now, of course, olive oil is safe for everybody. I don't may Except your skin reacts to olive oil, then fine. But aside that, I feel olive oil is that safe oil that anybody can actually use. Now, olive oil contains two major ingredients, which is vitamin E and squalene. Now, vitamin E is an antioxidant that also helps to retain moisture in the skin. And vitamin E as an antioxidant also helps to prevent your skin from the pollutions in the environment, even though you might not really get that benefit, because I don't really know the amount of vitamin E in olive oils. Then it also contains squalene, and squalene is good for hydration as well. Now, like I said earlier, if you have a bleached skin, this oil is going to help you because of this olive oil it contains, the vitamin E in it, and the squalene. Now, it also contains benzyl salicylate. Now, benzyl salicylate, of course, is from salicylic acid, right? But calm down, calm down. Because it is from salicylic acid, does not make this body oil unsafe to be used every day. Now, benzyl salicylate is derived from salicylic acid, and we know that salicylic acid is an exfoliating ingredient, right? But benzyl salicylate is just an ester of salicylic acid. Okay, so in this product, it is serving as, let me use the word, an enhancement of the fragrance of the oil. Now, this oil is highly, did I use the word fragrance? Is there in English like that? It has a fragrance, okay? It is not, an odorless oil. It has a fragrance to it. So if your skin reacts to fragrance, you might just not want to use this oil. You might just not want to use this. Then it comes in how many ml? I'm going to write the ml on the screen when I get it. Now, this baby oil is also approved by the National Association of Nigerian Nurses and Midwives. Now, when you hear midwives, you should know already that it comes with the betting process. Okay, it is for babies. That is just what this whole thing means. It is safe for babies, and if it is safe for babies, it is going to be safe for you. But as I said earlier, if you are already in your late 20s, 30s, 40s, you can use this, but don't go and pack baby items and start using, you won't get the benefit of anti-aging from baby skincare products, please. You won't get that benefit. Okay, so you can just use this oil as that emollient, then let your lotions, your body washes, your other face care products be strictly for your age. Then this body oil can just be used maybe for your double cleansing as your body oil. That's just it. So for the packaging is okay, and I got it for 1,500 naira. It is cheap, oh, it is cheap. But at the moment, you might get it for 2,000 naira, considering exchange rates. I've seen some persons' reviews who claimed that this Pears baby oil cleared their acne, and I've been wondering how. What ingredients in this baby oil cleared your acne? Like what ingredients actually? What cleared your acne in this baby oil? I don't know. I don't even though I don't want to believe that, but if it is your truth, but I'm fine. Okay. So see you all in another video, and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Bye.